Anyway, here they are. Oh, let's see how long it takes to get up these. Fuck. There's heaps of people that run them.
Looking for half an hour as usual.
I'm not ready to run these yet. I don't want to lift the camera and record people, and that's not the end of the stairs either. Whew. I'm kind of fucked already. I've got a 2 kilo bag of oranges in my backpack. Shit. It's not easy. It's not easy. My legs are burning. I'm not kidding about the 2 kilos of oranges either. Alright. Almost there. Yes, lad. No stopping. No stopping.